Hey, what's up? So this is a quick demo video about the internal link finder tool I built in Python. This is useful for my own scenarios. So I don't know if it's going to be useful for you, but if it is, that would be great. So this is basically a script written in Python. You can click on the file and get the code, copy the code, or simply download the zip file from here. So you will get the Python file. You will need to create the input file. This input file can be created in Google Sheets or Excel. So these are the example inputs I have already given in. So the first one is the list of URLs, and we have used this backlinko website for example. The second one is the target URL. The first one, list of URL, is basically the articles from where you need to get the links. The target URL is your article where you already have some internal links and you need to see more options where you can put the links. Now the script is really useful because it is going to be checking all these URLs, and if this page is already linking to this page, it's going to skip it. But if it's not already linking, then it will be going to suggest you about the internal links, and it will check all the details. So definitely it will be checking for the page which is useful and you are already not linking from that page. The third option is anchor text. So this is useful because you need to make sure you have similar words from where you can put the anchor text from that page to the target URL. So you can create a quick list from ChatGPT, really easy. The last option is XPath. Now XPath is important because let's say we have this article and we need to copy the XPath. The simple process is just make sure you just click the inspect element. It will show up this window, and click the selector, and you make sure you have this area where you have all the content and you are not including any header or footer, because we need to make sure we are checking for internal link from the content, not from the header and the footer. And just right click and copy XPath and paste that in. So we have all the inputs ready. Now what you have to do is simply run the script. For that you can do Python and internal link finder and just simply run the script. Now this script is multi-threaded, so it will not take much of your time. It will hardly take like 30-40 seconds, and it will check all the 286 URLs. And once the script is complete, it's going to give you an output. Let's just look at the output file. You will get the output CSV file here with all the suggestions. So now these are the pages. For example, this is the page where you can find this anchor text, and you can go and internal link your final page from this page with this anchor text. Or for example, on this page you can find these two anchor text and you can do the internal link. Now the good thing is that page, our target URL, is not already linking from this page, so we don't have any internal link from this page to our target URL. So this is an opportunity we are missing, and we should be internal linking from this page. So hopefully this will be helpful for you. I'll see you next time.